What's going on, guys? Chef Ricky here, and welcome to another tutorial video. Today we're going to be making the Dream Bowl, one of my most popular dessert recipes in the Movie Star Chef Recipe Cookbook. But we're not just going to be making any ordinary Dream Bowl. We're going to take that delicious recipe and we're going to transform it into an overnight sensation. So if you're ready, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay, so we're going to be making 3 different types of Dream Bowls. So we're going to start with the blueberry Kino Collagen and fresh blueberry. Then we're going to be making one with Oreos. It's going to be like a cookies and cream. And finally, we're going to be making chocolate s'mores. So we have a bit of marshmallows, some graham crackers, and some dark chocolate in there. Right there. Okay, so the graham crackers that I'm using are just plain graham crackers. Get at your local store. Now those are for the toppings. For the main ingredients, we're going to be needing some plain non-fat Greek yogurt, some fat-free Jell-O. Now you could use white chocolate, you could use pistachio, cheesecake, chocolate, whatever you want. And we're going to be needing some sweeteners, some artificial sweeteners. Now these are optional. I use them. You don't have to use them if you don't want to. You're going to need a scale, very important. And you're going to need some mason jars. After we mix everything together, we're going to put them in the mason jar, and then we're going to put them in the fridge overnight for a sensational dessert the next day. Now you could eat it like this, like we always did from the beginning, but if you want it even more creamy and more flavorful, you put it in the fridge overnight. Trust me, you gotta try it. Try it, put it in the fridge, eat it the next day, and you're gonna thank me later. All right, let's get to the mixing. Okay, so there you have it, the overnight dream bowls. I made 3 of my favorite ones. So here you have the Kino Collagen Blueberry one, and as you can see, I added some PB2 on top, just a little bit, not enough to count the calories. And then here is the chocolate s'mores. That chocolate syrup on top is a Walden Farms, 0 calories, so no need to worry about that. And then you have the famous Oreo Dream Bowl, overnight dream bowl. So you put these in the fridge. Now just for the picture, I left them like this on top, but you can mix them all inside. So you get a bit of Oreo at the top, middle, at the bottom. You know how it is. Put the cover on, put it in the fridge overnight. Next morning you wake up, you fast, you have your water, you have your coffee, then you break your fast with one of these bad boys. They're around 500 calories each. I'll have the total macro breakdown on the screen for you and in the description. I'll also include the recipe in the description. So if you like the video, please give it a like, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you want to see more recipes like this, say yes in the comments, and there'll be more coming, hopefully 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 per week. So they're coming. So, and these recipes are all in the Movie Star Chef Recipe Cookbook. So if you haven't picked up your copy today, get it now. The link is down in the description. Okay guys, so I'll end the video here. I hope you liked it. Share the video and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.